Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to take the power or exponent of a number within Java programming language. The compiler which we are using is the Eclipse IDE. So first you need to go to File and click on New. Then click on New Java Project. So here we can write the name of the function, the name of the project as power_00. You can write any other name of your own choice. Now power_00 is our project name. We need to click on this src folder. Right click on the src folder and we need to click on class. Now we write the name of the class is like alpha 1, 2 or any other name if you want, okay? And we also need to take this public static void main function. Both the public static void main and alpha12, that is the public class, is very essential for the proper running of the code. Click on finish and you can see this environment is configured. It has one void main function and one public class, that is alpha12. Now our program is regarding the power, how to take the power of a number. So first we will declare a variable, that is double T. Now what is this now? A double is the data type. Double means that both the integer and floating numbers can be stored inside this variable T. And what is T? T is any variable. We know that it is used to store data inside it, okay? So now we can store double type of data inside variable T. You can change the name of the T as T1, T2 or Y, ABC or anything. Now we will write T is equal to math.pow. Now what is this? Now math is our class, that is measure class within the Java, and .po is the function or method, okay? We can say, and 2, 3 is the parameters. Like you should have to write the number of whom you want to take the power, just like 2 and 3, okay? And 3 is the power. If you want to write 2, 4, it means that 2 raised to the power 4, and it will give us the answer. And then after calculating the answer will be stored inside this variable T. So here we will write system.out.println T. Now our answer will be printed on the output window. So let's run it out, and we got our answer as 16. If you want like 3 raised to the power 1 or 2, then it will give us 9, and we will see on output screen. So now you got that how we can take the power of a number within Java programming language. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.